Honorable Chairman of the Interview Times, Dr. Subhashish Das ji, Honorable Group Editor, Shri Divyajit Sahu ji and his kind fraternity, his team of authors, advisors, and sub-editors. The inaugurator of the function today, Dr. Achyut Samant ji, MP from our state. Our chief guest today, Captain Divya Shankar Mishra ji, the minister in the state. Our chief speaker of the today is Shri Omkarnath ji Mahanti ji, who has been the greatest, still the greatest technocrat of this country. The guests of honors are Shri Pradeep Kumar Jaina, Commissioner Police Shri Samaindra ji Priyadarshi, and Dr. Sujata Karji. All of you are here present. Among us the illuminaries, celebrities, the dignitaries of Odisha state, almost 20 top ranking personalities of Odisha, the illuminaries of Odisha. मिलने को मन करता है, देखने को मन करता है, आपसे सीखने को मन करता है. But the tragedy is this invisible virus has inflicted, has transformed the colony where I live into touch me not. That has compelled me that I should be not there. Otherwise, I would have been present and sought your blessings, and those moments would have been blissful as far as my life is concerned, you see. But anyway, this invisible virus is going to be vanquished within a week or so, and again after 15 days, we will be meeting very frequently, making interactions and loving each other and learning from each other, particularly learning from you all, you see, as far as Odisha state is concerned. As this function is going on, I have gone through the magazine as well, supplied to me by the Interview Times, you see. And I have learned, you see, that the people in different directions, in various colors, they have surmounted almost every field, and they have brought laurels to the state of Odisha in different fields. I was learning in my student days a poem by T.S. Eliot. See, T.S. Eliot says, the endless cycle of idea and action, भावनाओं का और विचारों का ये अनवरत चक्र, ना रुकने वाला चक्र, the endless cycles of inventions and experiments, अनुभवों का और आविष्कारों का ये ना रुकने वाला चक्र, brings us the knowledge of motion but not of stillness. And we all know, and you people must be knowing, and you know it, that the whole world surrenders to stillness. The man who espouses stillness conquers the whole of the world. These experiments have brought us the knowledge of speech, but not of silence. And silence, we know, is the uncrowned governor of the universe. It is Brahma. It is the original abode of all of us, you say, silence. It brings us the knowledge of words, but ignorance of the words. हम शब्दों से खेलते हैं, पर शब्दों को जानते नहीं हैं. अनहद नाद कहाँ से आता है? You sit in the lap of the nature, the visible garment of God, and sit silently for 15 minutes. You will learn, you will see, and you will find, and you will experience the inaudible voice, you see, anhad naad. Where is the wisdom we have lost in knowledge? Where is the knowledge we have lost in information? These 20 centuries, the cycle of these 20 centuries promising us heavens, have brought us, sent us, delved us into the dustbin. That is the state of today, you see, in the world today, you see. Technology has separated us from. उसने जीवन के काव्य पर, संगीत पर क्रूरतम प्रहार किया है. The greatest blow on the song of the life it has done, you see. कहाँ चला गया सर्वभूत हिते रता? To love, to think for the welfare of the society. माँ शुचय, don't worry. I will liberate you, save you, deliver you from all these sinful reactions. महाशुचय किधर चला गया? टेक्नोलॉजी ने डेप्थ दिया होगा, डायनेमिज्म दिया होगा, डिसिप्लिन दिया होगा, पर टेक्नोलॉजी ने हमको डिस्ट्रेस भी दिया है, डेस्परेशन भी दिया है, डेस्पोंडेंसी भी दिया है। टेक्नोलॉजी ने जीवन के काव्य पर डटकर प्रहार किया है। गांधी जी के शब्दों में तो दिस टेक्नोलॉजी हैज गिवन अस 7 sins: पॉलिटिक्स विदाउट प्रिंसिपल, प्लेजर विदाउट कॉन्साइंस, एंड प्रॉपर्टी विदाउट वर्क, कॉमर्स विदाउट एथिक्स, साइंस विदाउट ह्यूमैनिटी, knowledge without character, worship without sacrifice. Technology has given us global warming. Technology has given us global terrorism. Technology has given us global expansionism. You can see all these scenes, scenario of the world, you see. What is happening in the world, you see. What is Taliban? P532. 3 countries on one side, 2 countries on one side. What is the game of UNO? You can see all these things. You can see almost the same things happening in India also, in the states also. What is going on, you see? Is there any politics with principle? Is there any science with humanity? Is there any worship with sacrifice? We are all lacking all these things. Stockpile of nuclear weapons, depletion in the ozone layer. The world is standing on the edge of a volcano, on the edge of a destruction. And the scientists say that there is no place to live on this tiny speck of cosmos. Find some place in this space. And that is perhaps Jeff Bezos with Amazon, etc., is trying to send people to the Mars and set up a new colony in Mars, you see, so that the people should be comfortable over there in Mars, etc., you see. That is what is happening today. So therefore, as far as the observation goes, we need a sunrise technology. We need technology, but it should be sunrise technology. सूर्य की प्रथम 28 सेकंड तक और कुछ मिनटों तक किरणें उष्णता के साथ शीतलता प्रदान करती हैं। सूर्य की उष्णता भी चाहिए और चंद्रमा की शीतलता भी चाहिए। And Iravin, the greatest master of quantum mechanics today, says, who is the master of the astronomical technological advances, he says, all that you go on unfurling, unfolding, unraveling the advances, technological advances, you will come to the Vedantic philosophy, and that is Tatmasi, Tatmasi, Tatmasi. That is Maharishi Raman in the whole life. The essence is, thou art that. Tatmasi, tu hi to wo hai, tu hi to wo hai. That is what the scientists, the philosophers, the sages, the seers, and the saints of the world have been crying aloud, you say, that self is the light. Apadipo bhav. The life you lead conceals the light you are. You are the divine light within. You are the sustainer of the eternal values. But all these things are happening in the name of the technology, and things are on the verge of destruction, you can say. See. Therefore, the modern age, the present age, is in need of sunrise technology. लाइट भी चाहिए, सनलाइट भी चाहिए। एडिसन का लाइट चाहिए तो धूप भी चाहिए, डाइजीनियस को धूप चाहिए, हमको प्रकाश चाहिए, क्योंकि हम प्रकाश पुंज के हिस्से हैं। सनराइज टेक्नोलॉजी मीन्स the 12 attributes which are concerning the humanity and the Almighty, those are the bitter need of the hour, you see. There should be aspiration. That means no egoistic calculations. There should be generosity, means soul's ethereal firmament. There should be sincerity, humility, receptivity, courage, perseverance, gratitude, vibrations of love should be there. Goodness should be there. For the sake of goodness, that is what there is. Equanimity of the mind and of the soul. Inclusive, pluralistic, non-dualistic, comprehensive. That is the need of the hour. That is what general equanimity is. And that is therefore beauty, light and peace are hovering in the sky. These 3 things want to visit the earth. But This technology has not provided that element, you see, that particular infrastructure where these three, beauty, light, and peace, can visit our earth. So let us prepare this earth so that these three forces, these three which bring oneness, one force, one reality, one truth, beauty, light, and peace, should visit the earth. That atmosphere can only be prepared if we believe in, have faith in, and espouse and love and want to live with and live for the sunrise technology. Sunrise technology, that is what my Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi also says to the world, that let us move into the world with a flower pot in your hands, spreading fragrance, emitting fragrance of sunrise technology all over the world, so that this world with beauty, light, and peace may be worth living. That is what a simple message I want to deliver, you see. Otherwise, I think that I was to learn something from all of you, all intellectuals, all potentials, all talents, but unfortunately my physical presence is only because of that invisible enemy, invisible virus spreading, vomiting venom in my colony where I live. So I beg to be excused as well that I have not been able to attend it physically. You will excuse me. My salutations to all of you. Thank you very much. Vande Utkal Janni. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.